How do you do oil painting safely? Painting with oils is fun, rewarding, and surprisingly easy. Here are a few tips to do it safely. First things first, never paint with oils around infants and pregnant women. The solvents in oil paints and turpentine give off vapors that can cause discomfort to humans. This leads us to the next tip. Always paint with oil colors in a well-ventilated space. This is to avoid a buildup of the vapors. Next, use turpentine sparingly. It's flammable and must only be used for cleaning tools. To dilute oil paint, purified linseed oil is a better alternative. Next tip. Always place an oil painting in a dry place away from moisture. All oil paints and linseed oil contain organic compounds and may attract fungus if improperly stored. And lastly, remember to keep your paints and artwork away from heat. Store away from direct sunlight and maintain your room or studio's temperature. And that was all. With very little care, you can work with oil paints in a safe way. Time to pick up a brush and begin your oil masterpiece.